Growing up in a Black household, you get told by your parents on the daily, you have to work twice as hard, a lot of times 3 times as hard to get half as far. My name is Candace, and I'm Director of Sephora Brand Strategy. I helped concept and create the We Belong to Something Beautiful campaign. My team is responsible for it. Before I started at Sephora, I was working in Hollywood, and the industry as a whole was just not particularly welcoming. I was contorting myself to be someone who I wasn't because I wanted to fit in. And I just said, no, I don't want to do that. So I quit. I didn't have a plan. I didn't go to a fancy marketing school. I didn't have an MBA. I knew I had a passion for telling stories of the people who had been ignored, communities who had felt underserved, my communities. I applied for a job at Sephora as an executive assistant, and I just kind of worked my way up. I've been at Sephora for 12 years, and what I'm most proud about is that as a company, we realize that we have an opportunity to make a difference and to widen the aperture on who is represented in the beauty industry, and we're rising to that occasion. Seeing yourself represented is not superficial, because it is not superficial to not want to feel ignored. To not want to think there's an entire industry out here that is catering to people who don't look like me. That is not superficial. I would say that being a Black woman in corporate America is, a lot of trial and very little room for error. Honestly, feel really lucky to be at a company that not only wants to hear those diverse perspectives, but respects them and seeks them out. The more diverse voices there are in the room, the better. There's room for everyone. What I want people to know is that you can shine where you are to make an impact and to use your voice. And it's hard to speak up, but it makes such a difference when you do.